Will I lose my contacts and messages if I replace my unusable SIM card?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on SIM card replacements. Today, we'll be addressing a common question. Will I lose my contacts and messages if I replace my unusable SIM card? Don't worry, we're here to demystify the impact of a SIM card replacement on your valuable data.
What is stored on a SIM card?
A SIM, Subscriber Identity Module, card is primarily designed to connect your device to the mobile network, authenticating your identity with the service provider. Earlier, it was common practice to store contacts directly on SIM cards. However, with the evolution of smartphones, contacts, messages, and other data are now typically saved on the device itself or backed up in cloud services like Google Contacts, iCloud, etc. The key takeaway here is that modern smartphones usually store your contacts and messages on the device itself or on the cloud, rather than on the SIM card.
What happens to my data during a SIM card replacement?
When you replace your SIM card, you're changing the module that allows your phone to connect to your mobile network. This does not impact the data stored on your device or in the cloud, including your contacts and messages. So, if you're replacing your SIM card due to damage or to switch carriers, you generally will not lose your contacts and messages.
How can I ensure the safety of my contacts and messages?
Even though replacing your SIM card shouldn't result in data loss, it's always good to take precautions. Regularly backing up your contacts and messages to a cloud service can ensure data safety. For Android users, Google provides options to back up this information, while iPhone users can use iCloud. Remember, regular backups are your best defense against any kind of data loss. To wrap it up, replacing your SIM card should not cause you to lose your contacts and messages, as these are typically stored on your device or in the cloud. However, ensuring regular backups is a good practice to safeguard your data. We hope this video has put your concerns to rest. Stay connected and stay worry-free.